doing local certification. But what you need to remember, there is a difference between local certification and international certification. Local certification, yes, is also valid, but it doesn't give you more credibility. Sometimes you need to prove yourself that you wrote an external examination in order to make more salary than those who got local certification. So I will uh, help you to start this journey for those who are preparing for this international certification. So even for those who want to get their local certification. My name is Issa Ngoie. So if it's your first time to watch my videos, I'm currently lecturing in different universities, and I'm also a Cisco, Microsoft, and IBM trainer. So I'm helping students around the world. So I got students like everywhere, everywhere. So there is no need for you to see me physically or to come to me physically. What you need to do, you can use my WhatsApp number below and my email address. So if you wanna join my trainings, I do conduct free training. For those free trainings, you need only to contact me, and I will be given to you access to Cisco content. But if you want also to join my paid version of my training, you are also welcome, where we do conduct like online training via Teams, via Zoom, where I can assist you to build your IT career. So what we're gonna do like today, we are going to talk about 17 commands when it comes to routers, switches. What are the 17 comments that you need to know from the beginning, right? So from those 17 comments, it's where you are going to build your skill and increase your level, right? So what you're gonna do today, we're gonna talk about 17 Cisco comments when it comes to routers configuration or switches configuration, right? Very easy. And what you need to do, you need your simulator. If you don't have your simulator ready, you can contact me. I can just send you a link straight where you can download your simulator and start your practice, right? So if you're preparing for CCNA, this is for you. Uh, Even though you're a student, you want to increase your knowledge, you want to add value to your studies, you can also use this content, right? Okay, let me try to share my screen first and we can start. Yes, yeah. So what we're gonna do, we just go to the simulator. Uh, you click on network devices, or maybe you click on switches. Let's pick up one switch here. And I'm gonna pick up one computer, and I'm gonna pick up a console cable. You just plug, you click there, and you go to your switch. You plug to the console port, all right? So what you're gonna do, you click on your computer, you go to desktop, you go to terminal, you go to OK, and you press enter, right? So this is where we are. So what to do when you access your device for the first time? Okay, let's say you are here. Now, what you need to do, what are the 17 commands that I'm explaining now? So this is my document that I'm gonna use. So the first one is enable. This command will allow you to go to what we call privilege mode or the exec mode. So this command will allow you to go to advanced mode to configure the device. So you just come here, you type enable, then you press enter, right? So this command will allow you to go to advanced mode so that you can start configuring your device, right? So it's just allowing you to go to advanced mode. Remember, a switch or a router will have different modes or different levels, right? So for you to go from one level to another level, there's a command, right? So there are commands for moving between levels or between modes. So and the mode that will allow you to go to advanced mode is enable. So you type it, you press enter. And when you're done, the second command is disable. Disable means what? This disable will allow you to exit the privilege mode, right? Go back to the basic mode. So So if I want to go back, so I can just type disable. So disable will allow me to go back to where I was. Disable, you see? So I'm going back. So if I want to go back again to advanced mode, enable, right? Yeah. So now what we're going to do again, a comment number 3. Number 3, we're going to see what we call configure terminal, right? Just go to this. Yeah, configure terminal. What does it mean by configure terminal? This command will allow you to enter global configuration mode. Start changing device settings. Remember, guys, if I want to start now changing the settings of my device, I need to tell my router, my switch that I want to go to the settings so that I can start, right? So for you to start changing the settings of your device, you need to type configure terminal. So we're going to come here, we're going to type configure terminal and you press enter, right? So this is how to go where to start your configuration. So if you want to start changing the configuration of your device, configure terminal. So after configure terminal, number 4, there is the command exit. So when you type this command will allow you to go back one level, leave the mode you are in to go back up, right? So when I'm typing the exit, it's gonna bring me, so you're gonna press enter once and you press again enter, right? You can see that you went one step up, right? Now, you can also type what? This command end, right? Okay, let's say, so this command will allow you to jump quickly back to the privilege mode, okay? Let's say I'm here. First, I'm gonna type configure terminal. I'm gonna press enter, and I'm gonna type end. See, you press twice enter. So end will allow you to go back to the privileged mode. Okay, beside that one, there is the command reload. Reload command will allow you to restart your device or reboot your switch, reboot your router. Most of the time, we want to reboot our switches, we want to reboot our routers. How to do it? You just type the command reload. So you're in privilege mode, you type the command reload. It's gonna ask you, is yes, and you confirm. And your device will do what? Will start rebooting, right? And what else we need? Beside reloading, you can also use the question mark. The question mark will allow you to show available command, right? It will help to see what are the available command, right? Like here, first I'm gonna press like enter. So if I wanna see what are the commands that I can use on this particular mode, so I can just put question mark. Question mark will show me like available command that I can use on this particular mode. We call it a user mode, this one. Let me try again. I'm going to type like enable. I'm going to press enter. So if I want to check what are the comments that are available that I can use on this particular mode, it's question mark. And I can press enter, enter. Those are the comments that I can use. So first column is the name of the comment and second column is what the comment can do, right? Now we're going to move to show running config, right? What this command can do, show running config. Okay, this command will display an active configuration, show everything running now. So if I want to see what are the configurations that are actually running like on my device, remember you switch on your device and you start doing your configuration. Now you want to see what are the current configurations. The command is show running config. So you just come there, you type show running config, and you press like enter. You're gonna see the versions of the operating system, the port that you are using, like the port on the device, and you press enter, enter, enter. You can see all the ports, the information is about the ports and so on. Just press enter and you come out. So what I'm saying, so when you are doing your configuration, you wanna see the current configurations of the device. The command is show running config. Now there is another command that can allow you to see saved configuration. Okay, let's say you do some few configuration. You saved your configuration. How to see them? This is the show startup config. This command shows you the saved configuration in a non-volatile RAM. Remember, your switch will have a non-volatile memory, and when you save your configuration will go to the non-volatile memory. How to see your saved configuration, right? Those are the configuration that will load when your device will reboot. So when you switch on your device, those configurations that are coming, how to view them, this is the show startup config command job. So I'm going to just type show startup config and press enter, right? So you can see your host name and so on. For now, I don't want to go to details, but later on, we're going to go to. Yes, so beside that, we can speak about show version. Show version will display your operating system version, the hardware information, will show the model, for how long your device was up and running. So all those things is under show version. So show version will show you the iOS information, the operating system information, and the hardware information. Remember, this is a router, this is a modem. You wanna know some of the things about your operating system that is running like on your router, your switch. You wanna know some of the information about the physical components inside your router, your switch, for how long the switch was working. So all those things you can get them when you type the command show version. So you can just come there, you say show version. So and show version, you can see here, so it's showing you like it's a switch, the device is a switch, the port, there is but there are like 26 ports, the model, this is the model, the version, and this is the image of the operating system, right? I'm just going fast because I know that there's a video, the second video where I'm gonna go deeper, right? Now we're gonna move to show history. Show history, show comment like history, show recently entered comment. So when I'm typing show history, right? So it's showing me the comment that I've been typing now, like currently, right? Show history. This is the meaning. It also show flash, that will show me list files in flash memory, show iOS file and stored file. Remember, your device will have like operating system, some other file. In order for you to see file like operating system, like on your switch, your router, you can type show flash. There is also one of the memory inside your router, your modem that we call flash. That flash will keep some of the file, such as the operating system file. How to see? You can type show flash. Right, just type show flash, but this time, and you press like enter. So you can see the two files that are inside what? My flash memory, right? But we're gonna learn about them later on. What is the meaning of those two files inside, right? For now, just you need just to understand that show flash shows me the file like on my flash memory. And we're going to talk about number 13, show interfaces. Show interfaces shows you the detailed interface statistics, like bandwidth, like errors, like status. So most of the time, like I have my router, my switch. So I want to know some of the information or details about my port. So I can just type show interfaces. Uh, Like, and you press enter. See here, this is one of my first interface. The interface is down. This is the status. There is no IP, like line protocol is down. So it's not also connected. You can see the bandwidth. You can see the physical address. So keep on press like enter, enter, right? So you can learn details about the every port. Just control Z amount. And there is also what we call show IP interface brief. Short interface summary. This one will show you your interfaces. So if your interfaces are up or down, but it will add also what? The IP addresses, right? So it will show you also the IP interfaces given to those interfaces. So how to use it? Just type show IP interface brief, right? So you can see here, those are your port. There is no IP and the status is down, right? And what else? That is what we call show MAC address, show MAC address, show MAC address table. So this command will show you physical address of your devices. Remember, when I'm plugging many computers, so I want to know their physical addresses. So this command will allow me to get that. Just like show MAC address table, right? Yeah, and you press like enter because there is no computers that are plugged. That way it's empty. And the last one is also show VLAN brief that will display virtual networks and the port where those virtual networks are plugged. So you can just say show VLAN brief, right? So this is how to see, you can see a VLAN name or numbers and the name of your virtual networks and the port that are given to those virtual networks. And the last one is show ARP, show ARP table. This table will show you how physical addresses is mapped to IP addresses. So just come there, you say show ARP and you press the enter. For now, it's empty because we don't have computers connected to the switch, right? So I was just yes, guys. So as you can see, I wanted just to show you 17 commands that you need to know how to use. And from those 17 commands, my next video, I will go deeper. So I will try to make you again, guys, becoming better with those 17 commands. But it was our first session for CCNA preparation. And the next video, we'll try to go a bit deeper again in order for you to master those 17 comments before us moving to other comments. Thank you very much, and don't hesitate to contact me if you want to join our free trainings or our paid trainings. Don't hesitate. My number is there, my WhatsApp number, my email address. You can contact me, and I can schedule sessions for you guys wherever you are. The distance is not a problem, as today we to have so many tools that allows us to practice and to meet even virtually. Thank you very much and see you to our next video so we can meet next time. Bye.